This is a roof rack, an all-the-rage fashion accessory for the lifted SUV mall crawler. But this roof rack has a secret. It's made entirely from Unistrut. Given that, its mounting possibilities are endless. And the best part? It costs under $200. I'm going to show you how I made it, and how in just a few hours, you can make one too. Unistrut can be found at most hardware stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. Typically they come in 10-foot lengths, which is perfect. Make sure you've measured out how much you'll need based on the size rack you're building. Mine was 75 by 45. There's also a plethora of anchors and hardware designed for Unistrut. Let your imagination go wild. And if you don't want to weld, bolting is an option too. Once measured, we can start cutting everything out. I wanted the corners to be rounded, so I did a radius cut and bent the ends till they looked right. I'll leave a link to a video on how to do that in the description below. Now with everything cut, we can lay out our rack and begin tagging everything together. Now let's get it on the bench and finish the welds. Now that looks pretty good, so let's see it up on the truck. So now the next step is paint. I decided to go with powder coating, but if that's too much for you, then there's nothing wrong with a little. So that's all there is to it. And now you have a sleek platform rack that looks as expensive as the rest.